Good morning, everyone. Today is February 4th, 2015, and welcome to our live Forex scalping session for today. Now, before we get into our trading session for today, please note and read the disclaimer that you're seeing on your screen. We are HyperFX Academy, and we educate people on how to trade the Forex market successfully and with very minimal risk. We are full-time Forex traders with over 15 years of trading experience. I will be walking you through the trades that I took live today using the HyperFX strategy. So what you're seeing on your screen is one of the Hyper Scalping strategies that identifies key breaks in the market and high probability turning points. This is actually one of my favorite basic scalping setups created by HyperFX, and as you can see, it's been very, very profitable in my trades. What you're seeing on your screen is my first trade for the day. This was my euro dollar trade, and in this particular trade I closed the trades in profit of just over $700. I started my day today just before 8 o'clock this morning, and as you know, I usually trade the day session for about 2 to 3 hours, and I like to be really done before 11. That's typically my goal. Coming back to the trade here, we're going to be closing, and you're going to see me closing that trade very shortly. Again, a profit target of about just over $700, and there we go, we just closed that trade. This is going to be, you're going to be looking at my second trade for the day, which was again my euro dollar trade, and again I took profits of about $700 in this trade as well. So let's talk a little bit about why we trade the Forex market. So unmatched liquidity, what does that mean? So because Forex is a 4 trillion a day market, with most trading concentrated in only few currencies, there are always a lot of people trading. So this makes it typically very easy to get into and out of trades at any time, even in large sizes. Forex also never sleeps. So trading goes on all around the world during different countries' business hours. So you can therefore trade major currencies at any time, 24 hours per day, 5 days per week. And since there are no set exchange hours, it means that there's also something happening at almost any time of the day or night. You can go long or short. So unlike many other financial markets where it can be difficult to sell short, there are no limitations on shorting currencies. If you think a currency will go up, well, you can buy it, and if you think it will fall, you can sell it. So this really means there is no such thing as a bear market in Forex. You can make or lose money really at any time. Coming back to the trade here that you're looking on your screen, I'm going to be closing this trade very shortly. Again, I wasn't really in this trade very long. I was able to take the profits. I think this was actually right before 8:30 this morning. I had taken both of these trades. As you can see, I'll be closing them out very shortly. And then the third trade that you will be seeing on your screen was my pound yen trade. And this, there it goes, close. And here we go, the pound yen trade is up on your screen as well. This particular trade was my larger trade again. I took profits of about $1,200, which, you know, I was really happy about. Now let's talk a little bit about, I'm going to give you some information about our upcoming workshop, which is in March, and what you can expect to learn from the 3-day workshop. So the workshop will educate you on the basics of trading. So you don't have to know everything about the Forex market or have a significant experience trading. We will cover exactly what you need to know and how the HyperFX system works. And actually the system, HyperFX system, is really built around keeping things simple. So that's what we're going to be covering on day one. On day one as well, we will be setting up basics of your trading platform, getting familiar with the functionality in MetaTrader 4, such as placing an order, order size, entering stop loss, take profit levels, adding indicators, and closing out your positions. We will also be covering how to check for upcoming news releases. This is very, very important. This is something that I do every single day before I get into my trading session because it does have an effect on your chart when you're trading. Day 2 of the workshop, we will be focusing on basics of trading, such as drawing trend lines, support and resistance levels, and adding Renko bars to your chart. We will also be drawing setups on the Renko charts and identifying trading opportunities. Coming back to the trade, I'm just about to close this trade. I was in there in this particular trade actually for longer than I had expected, but overall, it was a profitable trade, so it was great for that. My fourth trade that you're seeing on your screen is my dollar yen trade. This was right before, it's around 10:30 this morning, and this particular trade I took just over $800 in profits. Now, coming back to what I was saying about our workshop and what you can expect to learn, on day 3, we will be covering more advanced trading strategies developed by HyperFX, which we use every day to scalp the market, and as you've seen in my videos. And overall, I really can't stress the importance of the knowledge that's contained in this 3-day workshop. After you have completed the workshop, you will have a very strong grasp on trading the currency market successfully. This workshop will prepare you with the right training. We will provide you with the right tools, and we will give you the information on the HyperFX, the different types of strategies that we use to trade every single day. And as you've seen, our trades are very, very profitable. And we'll also prepare, to have the right mindset, which is equally important as learning everything else about trading, along with the strategies. So all these key concepts will be covered in that workshop, and like I said, I cannot stress what you will learn and what you will gain from this workshop. Also, as I had mentioned previously, we will have an online version for those who cannot attend our workshop. Coming back to our trading chart here, you're seeing on your screen, sorry, the 4th trade we closed. This is my 5th and final trade for the day. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to really get into this trade, but it was still early, just before 11, and I thought, the market was really moving, and I got into this trade. This is my pound yen trade, and this was my largest actually trade for the day. I took profits of over $1,500. It was quick in and out, and I was actually really happy with that. So my closing balance for today, guys, now my opening balance, which I left off yesterday, was 135,171, and my closing balance, we're going to zoom in at the end of this trade on your screen. Pay attention to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. So my closing balance today was 140,195. So today I made profits of just over $5,000, which is not bad for a 3-hour day work day. And I was gonna end my day with that. So this is it for me, guys. I want you to like our page on Facebook, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel where all of our videos are posted. So there you go, you guys. You can see the end balance, closing balance. We're going to zoom in so you can get a better look there. Thank you guys for watching. I will be speaking to you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Thanks, and happy trading.